Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing the PS5 when Horizon Forbidden West gets stuck on loading. First, make sure your PS5 is fully powered on and not in rest mode. Grab your PS5 DualSense and try pressing the PS button to check if the console is responding. If the PS5 is frozen on the loading screen, hold the PS5 power button until it fully shuts down. Wait for the PS5 light to turn off completely before moving to the next step. Now unplug the PS5 power cable from the back of the console. With the PS5 unplugged, disconnect the HDMI cable as well. Inspect the PS5 HDMI port for dust or loose debris. Gently clean the PS5 HDMI port using short bursts of air. Check the HDMI cable that goes into the PS5 for bent pins or damage. Reconnect the HDMI cable firmly back into the PS5 port. Plug the PS5 power cable back into the console. Press the PS5 power button once and wait for the white light to stabilize. Launch Horizon Forbidden West again on the PS5 and see if it loads normally. If the PS5 still gets stuck on loading, close the game completely. Highlight the game on the PS5 home screen and press Options on the PS5 controller. Select Check for update to confirm the PS5 game version is up to date. Once the update check is complete, restart the PS5. After the PS5 restarts, open Horizon Forbidden West again. If the PS5 still freezes on loading, go back to the home screen. Select Settings on the PS5 and scroll down to Storage. Inside Storage, select Games and Apps on the PS5. Look for Horizon Forbidden West and check the PS5 storage usage. If the PS5 storage is nearly full, delete and use games or media. Restart the PS5 again after freeing space. Try launching the game once more on the PS5. If the PS5 still has issues, turn it off completely again. Hold the PS5 power button for 7 seconds to enter safe mode. Connect your PS5 controller using the USB cable. Select the Safe Mode option. Clear cache and rebuild database on the PS5. Confirm the action and let the PS5 complete the rebuild process. When the PS5 restarts, return to your game library. Launch Horizon Forbidden West again to test on the PS5. If the PS5 still won't load the game, go back to the home screen. Highlight the game again and press Options on the PS5 controller. Select Delete to remove the game from your PS5. Go to your PS5 game library and reinstall Horizon Forbidden West. Keep the PS5 connected to stable internet for the download. Once installation finishes, restart the PS5 once more. After the restart, open the game and watch the PS5 loading behavior. If the PS5 still gets stuck, return to Settings on the PS5. Scroll to System and open System Software on the PS5. Select System Software Update to ensure the PS5 firmware is current. Install the update if available and restart the PS5. Launch the game again and test if the PS5 loads normally. If the PS5 still has the loading issue, try switching the PS5 HDMI port on your TV. Also test a different HDMI cable with the PS5 just to rule it out. Turn the PS5 off again and let it rest for 2 minutes unplugged. Power the PS5 back on and open Horizon Forbidden West one final time. If everything loads, your PS5 issue is fixed. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes.